This video will show you how to program your XCI Wi-Fi controller. Signing into your new XCI Wi-Fi controller is simple. Open a browser and type in the following URL: xci.galcon-smart.com. Sign in with your username and password. If you have not created an account, follow the Quick Start Guide Instructions Handbook or watch the XCI Wi-Fi Setup and Connect video. You'll be redirected to the Zones page where you can set irrigation schedules and view the controller status. You can program your XCI Wi-Fi with daily programs or independent watering for each zone. From the Zones page, press Schedule. For each day of the week, set the start time, and for each zone, set the watering duration. If you wish that a particular zone will not be irrigated during the week, leave the irrigation duration for this zone at 0. Click Save. Your XCI Wi-Fi will irrigate each zone for the duration set on the selected days. If you wish to run a zone more than once a day, you may add additional start times for each day by pressing the plus button next to that day's start time. In the selected day window, press plus to add additional start times and set watering durations for each zone. Each start time must be unique. Each zone can be programmed independently. Select the zone you wish to program by navigating to the dashboard. Set the start time and duration for each day of the week that you want to water. You may add additional daily run times by pressing Add Times. Make sure to save your changes. You can manually start watering by pressing the Start button in the selected zone. Set the watering time and press Start. Your XCI Wi-Fi will turn on water for the duration you set. With XCI Wi-Fi, you can name your zones and add a photo of the area that is watered to make it easier to identify the zones. To name the zone, click on Edit. Type in the name and save. To add an image, click on the camera icon and select a photo from a folder in your computer. Your XCI Wi-Fi keeps logs of its irrigation activities. Press the Message button to view the history. XCI Wi-Fi offers a variety of additional settings. From the Schedule page, scroll down to expand Settings. You may put the controller on hold by choosing Yes. The controller will stop any active irrigation. Irrigations will resume only after changing the value back to No. You can prevent irrigation when rain is in the forecast. It is recommended to set this value at 55%. Make sure that the correct time zone is selected. If it is not, the controller will water at unexpected times. In addition to using weather, you may connect a rain sensor to XCI Wi-Fi. Enable the rain sensor by clicking on Yes. XCI Wi-Fi is designed for every part of the world. You can customize how units of measure are displayed in My Profile, located in the menu under your username. If you select metric units, your temperature will appear in Celsius and date format will be in day, month, and year. If you select imperial units, your temperature will appear in Fahrenheit, and the date format will be in month, day, and year. Detailed instructions are available by hovering over the question mark signs that appears throughout the website. For additional information, visit www.galconc.com.